We are out here. This is House of Hot Rods, and I believe it's the family cookout and car show. It's an annual event. It's one of the bigger ones. We're gonna get started. Got a shop space over here that's got a vehicle. Somebody just started up something. Got to start somewhere. We're gonna start here. We'll get around it. Not just vehicles, but there's also bicycles that are now showing up as part of these car shows. See some bicycles. Here's the back of that. So people are checking it out. You can see it's under construction. Got some plastic on the windows. There's a start. The rolling shot on this one. Got a 2018 Mustang GT. Said it's one of 200 and change. And we've got rollers in the background. People are rolling in right now. So I believe that's a Bullet next to him. Here's that 2018 from the front. Raceway Car Club is the display. Next to it is a Bullet. And if I'll just swing around, you see there's a line of cars that are coming in. So it's getting busy. I'm gonna get started. Tony Stark himself. So the sun is on this side. So we're gonna come over here.
Yeah, okay. They take cash donations.
Got a Bullet Mustang over here. Car Show FOMO's doing his thing. There's a row of cars coming in. There's rollers happening now. So don't want to miss all the rollers. And then of course there's the cars on the fence line. It's a big show and it's going on right now. Under the hood on the next vehicle. Can't tell, it's a truck. We'll get some exteriors on this thing. There it is. It's a Silverado. It's red. Looks like the doors are open. You can check the bed. Get some shots of this thing. So it's like he's just put a holly mat down for the bed. So there's the bed. It's pretty clean though. Here's the interior on that Silverado. Get you a little some of that. Next up, rollers on a Camaro, followed by rollers on the Chevelle. I was over here. Let's get back. It's a very busy place. Lots going on. So it's a very dramatic back bumper on there. I didn't realize it was a whole shelf. That's the way they have it set. Maybe that's what it was originally. Another background roller. top. Next up, square body. Can't get around it. Oh, the hood's open. Under the hood on that square body I was just staring at. Just as important as the exterior, the under the hood shot. This one looks like it's been lined. Of course, there's bolts on it, so it may just be a tub. Rollers in the background on something neat. Corleone Ford steering wheel to go with the wheels. Barely fits in the frame, but here we are. It's written all over this. Stand for the flag, kneel for the cross. Ghibli up. Go, Grandpa. And the roll is called Up Yonder, I'll Fly Away. Well, there we are. Got rollers going on. The lighting is good right now. There's not a lot of harsh clouds, harsh shadows. More rollers as they go. LS Performance printed on the top of this one. This is under the hood, and we'll get you some exteriors. It's a lot of air. A lot of air moving. Here's the exterior on that one. It's a 69 Chevelle. So, we'll keep moving. Under the hood on the next one. And then I will get you the exteriors on this. And try and guess what you think it might be. These don't have their years or anything. That was under the hood on this. Again, Corleone forged wheels. Those are very popular here today. People are really enjoying those Corleones. Rollers. More rollers. We're all heading that way. I'm heading that way too. There's that El Camino with the hood up from the front. Pretty good looking vehicle. It's pretty clean. Interior looks good. The El Camino. So we'll come over on this one and give it a moment, a pan to it, but let's give it its own time. Sun's pretty harsh on this, so I'm having to turn the lighting way down. But there's the shot of it. The sun is very stark on this. There's the bed. So here's that vehicle from the front. It's got the Volkswagen emblem on it, but it's more of a style than an actual starting point. There's no way there's a Volkswagen bus that big. This thing's as big as an 18-wheeler rig. But Volkswagen's on the front of it. As if Volkswagen never made one of these. Thing's crazy. Got a 1966 Corvette. Very nice. 1966 is on the license plate. You know anything about these? Put it in the comments. Segway. There we go. That's a better shot with some sun. Rollers in the background on some late entries. Hot Rod Hunters with the patina. This one's available now. There's some heavy sun on it. Really get some clarity out of this picture. Okay, it says that lighting is a little bit better. Anyway, Cadillac is on the valve covers there. Alright. Some of that. For some reason it's saying that it's not light enough, but there's your shot. Well, here comes the sun. Alright, that's a little better. Still learning about this camera. Got the lighting right where I want it. I see the hood is up. We'll see if we can get under the hood. There it is from the front. I don't know why it's showing me that there's not quite enough light out here. Maybe the clouds are covering, I'm not sure. Having to adjust for light to get this engine here. Can't tell this is under the hood on a Pantera. Some of that. That's much better. That's a much better shot. I'm gonna try and tell this story in one shot. I didn't realize what this was. It's got T-tops, and there's the SS. Oh, there it is on the dash over there. Here it is from the back. The Monte Carlo Super Sport. All right. So here's under the hood on that El Camino, or what? Nope, start over. This is under the hood on that Monte Carlo with the T-tops. So I guess the story wasn't all told in the one shot. It had to come over here. Here it is from the back. I don't have a year on it. Antique Auto's on the plate. Antique Auto on the license plate.
When it was first opened,
Under the hood.
yeah, they're like slam on the brakes, and then there was that big hill they had to turn around.
So what I've tried to do is go to the back of the show, but we'll see. It's a big show. I don't know where the end is, honestly. See, it might be over there. Give everything a moment. I'm calling usual suspects on this one. I'm saying I've seen it before, and I want to say it was off of Lamar and Cooper. Might have been a full throttle meet. I know it was parked up front anyway. But usual suspects on this one. I don't think I got under the hood the first time. I don't think I got any shots of the engine bay the first time I saw this car. So the paper says 1991 Figaro. So there you are. Speaking of usual suspects, we have the Crown. We've seen this one before. We're not going to spend too much time with it. But he keeps making improvements. It looks pretty good. I remember the first time we saw it. Nebraska Furniture Mart, fueled up meet. 1961 is on the license plate. It's an MG. And the hood is up. We'll get under the hood then. Yeah, 1961. Sure enough. I know I copy striked all over, but I don't care. I'm not monetized anyway, who cares? Just trying to grab you some shots. There we are. Hopefully you got a good shot of this. There we are. It's a 1967 GTO. Makes it a Pontiac. House of Hot Rods Car Show. Here's that GTO from the front. There's a lot of cars out here. This is interesting. Classic Autos on the license plate. It's a Cobra, it's an SVT. I guess I just feel old because it says Classic Auto on this. Feeling old. It's got a big picture of this car doing a wheelie on the line. So obviously this thing moves. BD56 is on the windshield in the side window there, so never know what you're looking at. 1966 is on the license plate of this one. I don't think I've seen this one with that type of, he made it a dually. I've seen the front of this truck, but didn't know it came in a dually or he made it a dually, one of the two. Next up, the SS. 1970 is on.
Oh, sorry, sir.
You're all right. 1970 is on the license plate. Got a person wipe. But I got the shot. It's right there. All right. I don't know if it's the right truck or not. I'm looking for the truck from Dazed and Confused. I don't know if this is it or not. It looks like it. It looks like it is. Okay. I don't have a year on it. If you know the year, put it in the comments. I don't know. I have the year. It's 1974. But we also have rollers, so we'll come back to it. And there are a lot of rollers happening, so I'm going to have to come back on this thing here in just a second. Now that looks more like Tony Stark. Okay, back 1974. It's a busy place. A lot of rollers happening all around us. I can just see Tony Stark leaning over the engine bay. It's close anyway. Rollers. Iron Man. So I feel like I'm closer to the back of the show now. I'll work my way forward. I know the rule that if it's in the parking lot I'll shoot it, but that's an Ultima and I'm not shooting it. This, on the other hand, is a GT350. So Nissan's getting skipped over the GT350. As I said, GT350. We'll skip the other one. Okay. Pull the trigger on this one here. It's over here by itself. It's kind of hiding, so I wanted to highlight it. It's clean. It's a little S10. I thought it might be a Cyclone, but I guess that's the SUV. This is closer to the rule about it's in the parking lot, so I'm going to shoot it. Somebody loves their S10. They brought it. Looks good. It's clean. We'll put it on the channel. Why not? So over here, I'm just going to pan the row. We've got a row of trucks over here. And I'm just going to pan the row. The show's too big for me to get everybody. Well, I didn't get him while he was here, so I'm going to get him leaving. I failed to get him. I know my lights are a little off, but you know what? The shot is the shot. There it is. I might have to readjust the light, but it's in the shade. I'm tired already. I've been here for a while. So this was already here before the show started. So I don't think it's a part of the show, but I wanted it anyway. The GTCS. So now I am at the back. This looks like the end of the row. We've got a T-Bucket 32 is on the license plate. So, T-Bucket 32. That's good. Here's under the hood on the next one. 5.0 HO high output. I'll show you this. It's kind of a rare sight at a car show, but they brought it out. LX Motorsports is on the windshield.
Oh, cool. I didn't know that either.
Do you think this is where Elon decided to do the Cybertruck? Because it's like the same.
The DeLorean. This is pretty nice to see. It has no Back to the Future memorabilia on it. There's no skateboard in the front. It's just a DeLorean by itself. Just the vehicle with nothing more, which is very nice to see. This is another row I'm just going to pan. I'll just show you guys what's on this row over here. I don't have time to get everything, so I'm just panning the rows. Some of the stuff's probably just sitting here. I don't know. 3 on the Mustang SVT. Got a sticker says it's a Good Guys Award winner. Pretty clean. Good looking car. There we are. Another T-bucket. Getting a shot of it with some good lighting on it. There's the sun. I don't have a year. Now we're in the main garage. And I'm at the top of the stairs so I can do a nice pan. Give you guys a sense of this garage area. And then I can go down and take a look at it. There's the main garage floor. '69 is on the license plate of this one. '69 Camaro is the one that got me into cars. The SS. Next up we have a Mustang. We've taken the hood off so they can work on it. I don't need too much information. I can tell it's a Firebird. This might be the one from American Beauty. I'm not sure. Put it in the comments if I'm wrong. You'd have to go watch American Beauty and tell me if this is the Firebird from that movie. Another one, I don't have the year on it. It's got no wheels. Don't want to overlook what's out in the middle here. Yeah, just got a little Volkswagen parked over here. Nothing crazy. Just a classic Bug. One of the things that you'll see when you're at the Hotrods, House of Hot Rods car show, generally, under the hood, or in the engine bay anyway. There is no hood. Good, let's go. The Z28. I didn't want to leave without getting this. The Z28. Very good, very good. Love it. Okay. I'm gonna head towards the car now. And I'm just gonna grab ones and twos on the way. Just grabbing ones and twos on the way to the car. I've got a chance for a lot of really great shots right now, so I'm gonna take them. The crowd is thin on my side, so. Tons of stuff to see over here. Another Buick with the T-top. Don't see that every day.
I'm a dirt road in the headlights. I'm a mama's boy. I'm a fist fight. Kinda county line, kinda cold beer. Little hat down, little John Deere.
That looks familiar.
Kinda don't care. You see the girl standing right there. She loves a small town boy like me. She's no better down.
I got it earlier with the phone, but still wanted to get it for the channel. Favorite car in the world? The Trans Am. Late 90s, 98, 99. Love it. Classic roller.